Teaching pathology involves quite a lot of time for the teacher to sit with the students under the microscope and study the morphologic lesions of tissue sections.
National and Kapodistrian University of Athens School of Medicine, First Department of Pathology. University of Zagreb School of Medicine, Institute of Pathology.
The idea to implement Hipon program in the curricula is very good for us, so we are already integrating it in the teaching of pathology for degree for the medical students, and in the next steps we are going to integrate it also in the postgraduate teaching for residents, because it has a very broad platform for students to get the right insight into the diagnostic process.
Radboud University Medical Center, Pathology Department.
The Hipon Project comes at the right time because there are two major developments. One is precision medicine. We base our diagnosis on tissues and cells we see through the microscope. And the new forms of learning, individualized learning. So individualized patients and individualized learning together brings Hipon to a high level, because students and trainees can learn at their own pace, at their own time, and teachers can bring in the newest technology. So I see a bright future for the Hipon platform.
Center for the Advancement of Research and Development in Educational Technology.
Our participation in this project focused on the instructional design for learning and supporting resident doctors and medical students to engage in authentic problem solving. As part of the program, we developed collaborative activities that allow students to work together with their advisors to solve cases and provide support to others who need it.
St. Cyril and Methodius University, Faculty of Computer Science and Engineering.
Hipon e-learning platform is an interoperable, scalable, and multilingual learning management system which provides all the functionalities for the students and the teachers to learn in an innovative way. It's interesting that it was applied in the field of pathology, which gives an interdisciplinary flavor to this project. The platform itself follows all international standards, and it's completely separate than the e-content, which was developed by following the SCORM standard, which is the internationally most accepted standard for e-content development, and it gives an opportunity to transfer the content from one e-learning platform to another e-learning platform. One of the functionalities which I would like to emphasize and which was innovative in this project is the development of online game, where the students in an interactive and game-based way learn the pathology concepts which were developed during this project.
ICT technology, we made a simulation of what a pathologist does in his everyday practice. We have successive images of the microscopic slides, which can be of course magnified, and each image is accompanied by a specific question which tries to make the user familiarize with the important diagnostic features for the diagnosis. So after this series of images, which go from lower magnification to higher magnifications, we have this section, which is another simulation of everyday practice, meaning that apart from morphology, is there something else that the user needs to make his diagnosis? He has at his disposition the relevant virtual slide in which he can try to see all those features he has already studied in the case study presentation in this digitalized slide and try to consolidate all that he has learned during the study of the case. Resolution is quite nice. It's very close to what a real microscope shows in our everyday practice, So in this way, he'll have a complete view of the entirety analyzed in this case.
The platform is also available in mobile app. Translated in 5 languages, the e-learning platform facilitates both instructors and students. The project has been financed by the European Commission as a project of the Lifelong Learning Programme. You can find us on www.hiponproject.eu, at our Facebook page Hipon Project, or you can follow us on Twitter at Hipon Project.